Hello, big brother. My name is Anga Nati Mahlachi. I'm based in Western Gauteng. I'm 20 years old. I'm a gay, and I'm a hustler. Shem. I'm into farming for now. I'm trying, big brother. I'm originally from Eastern Cape. I'm on Frederick Coast. I love Spotlight, big brother. I love Spotlight. I really appreciate this opportunity. Unique thing about me, wherever I am, people will really love Shem. People will be entertained. That's how I am. I'm so unique with that thing. I'm sure about it. That I'm so unique about that thing. My favorite things is that I love animals. As I'm into farming, I love animals. My favorite things, I love to cook. I cook very nice, big brother. I know how to cook on Shem. No noise of chicken. Sorry about that, big brother. One thing that I like when it comes to I like Spotlight. I really love Spotlight. Shem. There's like and there's rata. So I love Spotlight, and also I dislike fights. I dislike fights. I don't like fights. Shem. When I'm with people, it's like when I'm with a group. Like when I'm in a constant state of big brother, I don't want us to fight. I would really not want us to fight. I would want us. I love peace. I'm a peace person. Let me brief talk about my family. My family. Yes, my family is a religious family. I used to go to church, but they don't care Shem, as long as I live my life. That's how they are. They don't really care that I do what, I don't do what. And also I have close friends. They support me, those ones. Even if I'm not invited to the event, big brother, they'll go with me. They'll say, because they know that I entertain people. They really love me. If friends they love me too much. And also neighborhood. When I grow up, I was so nice and a chill guy, child.